very important stage of this volleyball game in what is a very crucial ball game for these two schools, Adamson and FEU.
That's right, both wanting to win this one and have a better look at the Final Four appearance.
Again, Adamson, one could argue that this is a more important game for Adamson, considering that FEU, if they go on to win, and that will not help Adamson's cause, FEU will go to solo third.
Yep. And we are at the tail end of the second round. Probably all teams would have 3 more games each.
Kinlog, it's a free ball for FEU. Giselle C. It's a back set for Rojas. Nicely dug up by Makatuno. Here's Zapanta.
Once again, going down the line. And FEU not taking care of that area once more.
17.
Nawala niya ang kanya, di ba? Medyo na-address ng FEU on the third set.
And Zapanta going again to that zone 1.
Free ball.
Zapanta will try again. Denied that time.
Well, you know, if it's a free ball, normally you don't want to give it to the open hitter. Why? Ang tagal kasi free ball, so mataas. So matagal yung time nakaka-ready yung blockers ng kalaban. Especially giving it to the open hit, mataas na naman yung set. So, alam mo yun, mabagal yung pace. So nababasa kagad ng blockers ng kabila. That's why if it's a free ball, you normally want to give it to the quickers. Or go for a combination play. That's the best time to go for combination plays.
But right now, Adamson's best quicker, Soriano, is on the bench for what will surely be a very short breather.
And Eulalio. Guevara closing out the door for Eulalio on the middle hit.
And look at Guevara's hands. Look at Guevara's hands. They're just on top of her head, ready to block that spike.
Oh, that's going to go out. No spin on that ball by Rojas.
And FEU is breaking down here. Coach Ness desperately needs to call for time.
Ay, mapapagod yan. Tatlo nga yung spiker na yan. Ayaw mo dumiskarte. Alanganin ang bola, sa kanya pa rin. Ano ng bola, sa kanya pa rin. Diskarte ka tatlo yan, no? Si Winnet Angels. Sakay mo lang, sakay mo lang.
This could be FEU's last stand. Mayet Zapanta has come alive here for Adamson here in set number 4. And we have stated time and time again, with the trio of Soriano, Zapanta, and Pineda click, Adamson wins. And they are on the way to doing just that here this afternoon. Kinlog denied by that double block of FEU.
And no coverage at all from the Lady Falcons. It was just that big open space.
And Pineda, Makatuno, and Guevara kind of looking at the bench to see whether Soriano would be fielded back in. Pineda with a left hand.
Just saving that one. Oh, and Basas with the kill.
16-20.
So FEU still alive and looking good.
Seen so many miraculous comebacks here in UAAP volleyball.
And again, we go back to the big hearts of this FEU young team.
And that's a nice 2-0 run by FEU coming off the timeout. Stopped right there by that Kinlog block.
But Basas on the open hit. Let's see if FEU manages again to stop this one. They will be on the offense. And Eulalia does so.
Barging through that double block of Pineda and Guevara.
Ilalim.
21-17, Soriano still on the bench of Adamson.
Vasquez, perfect first ball. That results to a perfect set. And that attack by Pineda.
And now Soriano comes back in. It was only a matter of time. Matet Pisa coming in to serve here for Adamson University.
Again, the service specialist for Coach Minerva. And why not? But Agno was there.
Very sharp serve by Pisa, but FEU continues to fight.
18-22.
Makatuno just kind of laid there on the court after that dive.
12 out. 11.
Dawson is timing that, but enough to take that point. They will take it anyway.
Serve. To the Lady Samurai.
22-18, Adamson just 3 points away from forcing a three-way tie in the third spot. But Soriano stepping over the line. FEU is still breathing.
That's right. And Soriano kinda knew kasi pagtalikod niya. Ano kagad eh. Humarap siya kagad. Oh, that's really a good call.
Very dangerous.
Oh yes. That's where most of the injuries in volleyball come from.
Service.
That center
Baka.
line. Oh!
That one was headed out.
Yeah.
Wow, unbelievable save there. Soriano. Oh!
Soft touch, and she knew that no one was there for the taking.
7 out. 12.
Look at this. Ang ganda eh. Talagang, Luis, right approach, just enough power.
But look at the reaction. Almost like it was nothing. And Vargas getting denied there by Makatuno and Soriano. And Adamson has arrived at match point.
Look at this, totally closing Vargas on that last hit.
Adamson University, a fixture in the Final Four for the past 6 seasons, fighting to remain as a member of the Final Four, and they have forced a three-way tie with FEU and UST at this point of the tournament.
And things are just going to get better here in season 74. That's why all of you should really watch every game. Especially after this one, Adamson again tying it up with FEU and UST in the standings.
Wow, what a game we just witnessed. Adamson University taking the first 2 sets. FEU, no quit in them taking set number 3. But Adamson University with Mayet Zapanta coming alive in set number 4. And of course, Pao Soriano and Sheila Pineda continuing their strong play, closing this game out and winning their 7th game here in UAAP Season 74.
That's right, Anton. Just so much heart also played by the Lady Tams, not giving up till the last minute.
And perhaps playing her best game here this season was Sheila Pineda. Let's go now courtside because Bea Coronel is with our best player of this game.
Thank you, Anton. Yes, I'm here with Sheila Pineda of the Adamson Lady Falcons, our best player for today. So, Sheila, mukhang FEU didn't show signs of stopping, no? Pero ano yung iniisip mo going into that last set?
Kailangan naming mag-focus kasi do or die na yung lahat ng game namin. Kailangan namin pumasok sa Final Four. Kaya tinibayan namin talaga. Tsaka bumawi din kami.
So yun, so nabanggit mo kayo yung next few games. So what can we expect from you going to your next few games, especially since malapit na yung semifinal?
Siyempre, second round muna. May UST pa kami and UE. Kailangan naming manalo doon para sure na nasa final kami.
Okay, so may gusto ka pang batiin?
Yes. Sa mama at papa ko, kay Kian, kay Sarah, Ate Cookie, Mama Marlen, Erica Layub, Ate Bojoy, tsaka kay Bibing.
Okay, thank you and congratulations again. Again, that was our best player for today, Sheila Pineda of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Well-deserved Sheila Pineda with 19 points to lead all scorers this afternoon. Adamson University making things interesting, forcing a three-way tie with FEU and UST, Mosey.
That's right. So things are just going to get better. And in this season, especially, again, this is the tail end of the second round. And, all-important games. Imagine 2 to 3 games na lang per team.
And let's go now and take a look at our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House Red Carpet Deal. That was Sheila Pineda. Let's take a look at it one more time. Kinloch getting denied there. The captain setting it up way left. Pineda. Wow.
And she really started this game strong. You knew she wanted to take this one.
And Pineda being the current leading scorer of Adamson, continuing to do just that, taking the lead, giving Adamson University the win this afternoon. And our exciting UAAP volleyball action continues here in Season 74 this coming Saturday, February 4, as the UE Lady Warriors take on Adamson once again. And in our second game, UP taking on De La Salle University.
Yes, it's still clean slate in this tournament. So let's see. Exciting games really ahead of us.
Thank you all once again for joining us on Studio 23. UST defeating UE in straight sets earlier today, and Adamson defeating FEU 3-1. On behalf of everybody from ABS-CBN Sports, my partner Mosey Ravena, I'm Anton Ross saying so long from the arena in San Juan City. This has been our exclusive ABS-CBN Sports coverage of the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament.